Now let us start the third lesson on seating arrangement. So far we had two lessons where I have discussed the basic levels. The first lesson was mostly I concentrated on the basics. After that, gradually I have increased the standard in the next lesson, that is the second video. Now in the third video, now we are going to increase the standard to the level of POs there. PO level we will go for, right? Now let us start the first question. In the last lesson, I stopped with a question where 4 persons were facing inside, 4 persons were facing outside. Let us continue a question on the same lines, but here one more parameter is there, male and female. Alright, now let's start this one. 8 friends, A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H, seated around a square table in such a way that 4 of them sit at 4 corners of the table facing center, while remaining 4 sit at middle of each of the 4 sides and face towards outer side of the table. Then they have given 3 females sit in the middle of the sides and 2 at corners. Two things are very clear here. The first one, I am starting like this. Now I am taking a square. Whether it is square or rectangle, it doesn't matter for us because we need 4 vertices, that's all. Now I have taken the square. Now clearly 4 people on the corners and facing the center. Just do how did we do in the previous one. So 4 on the corners facing the center. I need to show this one with the arrows, indicate with the arrows. Then after that, remaining 4 sit at the middle of each of the side and face towards outer side of the table. Now this is outer side, of course it is outer side, this is outer and this is outer. Now the next point I told you in the video, keep the right side and left side in a proper way. Now this is right, left. For this person, right and 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 left. Again, right and left. Right, left and right, left. Got it? And don't forget to check that one, because a person facing outside flanked by 2 people facing inside. So how it should be? Left, left should be matched. Again, right, right. Left, left, right, right. Left, left, right, right. Left, left, right, right. Perfect. You have to check in this way, because if any slight problem is there here, entire question is going to be wrong. Not exactly going to be wrong. You need to check it again, unnecessarily wastage of time. Now check it. Now let us start the information. What's the first information they have given? 3 females sit in the middle of the sides, 2 on the corners. Means what's the meaning of this one? One more bifurcation here. Out of the 8 persons, very clearly they have given 3 are females. So out of 8, 3 are not 3. 3 females on the corners. 3 female on the middle, 2 on the corners. What does it mean? Out of 8, 5 are females, not 3. 5 are females. When 5 are females, then out of these 5, some are on the corners, then some are on the middle also. Again, one more bifurcation. How many are on the corners here? 3 female are in the middle, 2 on the corners. Now this is 3 and it is 2. And obviously, I can go for that side. So when 5 are female, obviously, male should be 3. Total 8. Now out of these males, again one more bifurcation. I am writing here. That should be corner places. 4 places are available. Out of 4, 2 are occupied by female. Means remaining 2 corners should be occupied by male. Out of the 4 middle available places, 3 are occupied by female. Means here it should be 1 should be occupied by male here. 3 are occupied by female. So 1 should be occupied by male. Middle, male. Now total 2 plus 3, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8. That is over. Let us start the information. What's the first one they have given? Clearly, A sits second to the left of G. Observe here, when you have this type of information, A sits second to the left of G. immediately you should answer a question. When A sits second to the left of G, first of all try to confirm the place of G, because based on G I am going to confirm person A's place here, right? Now A sits second to the left of G. So far it is not useful for me, because first of all I should know where I need to place person G. Now go for this one. G sits in the middle of one of the sides. Now you see, G sits in the middle of one of the sides. First I'll accommodate G on the 4 places, any one of the 4 places. Subsequently A is going to be placed. Where shall I go for this one? Now any 4 places, 1, 2, 3, 4, that is up to you, right? I'm taking here. This is G. Then after that, A sits second to the left of G. Now this is G. First, second, it must be A. This is over. Alright, now go for the next information. C sits fourth to the right of his wife, who is not an immediate neighbor of A or G. Now, how to go for this one? See, don't take the information as it is in a bulk way. Now here you need to search for a shortcut. I am giving you a technique here. Now they have given total persons are 8. Out of 8 persons, when they have given 8 persons, one person, whether he is fourth to the right of the other person or fourth to the left of the other person, both must be seated opposite to each other. Opposite to each other in the sense, opposite places to each other. They may be looking at each other, may not be looking at each other, but places should be opposite to each other. Why that is so? Because here, when total persons are 8, one person is fourth to the right or fourth to the left. Means what does it mean? Exactly it is half of that one. When it is half, it should be on the opposite places. Remember this technique. Next time onwards, in any question when you are practicing, 8 persons are there. One person fourth to the right of one person or fourth to the left of the other person. These two should be opposite to each other. Suppose if there are 10 persons, even 10 persons are there, one person is fifth to the right of one person or fifth to the left of any person. Those two should be opposite to each other. Suppose total 6 are there, one person is third right or third left, should be opposite to each other. Remember this one, right? Now go for the next one. Now C sits fourth to the right of his wife, means C and C's wife must be opposite places, on the opposite places to each other. When C is fourth to the right of his wife, first of all I should confirm the place of C's wife. What they have given about C's wife place? His wife, who is not an immediate neighbor of A or G. Now I got a clue here. This is called the elimination process. How I am eliminating the places for C's wife here? C's wife is not an immediate neighbor of A. These 2 places are eliminated, and she is not the neighbor of G. This is also eliminated. Where shall I keep C now? C can be here, here or here. But observe carefully. Another information is that C and C wife must be on the opposite places to each other. May not be looking at each other, opposite places to each other. If that is the case, if I keep C's wife here, because only 3 possible places are there for her. If I keep C's wife here, here there is no place for C here. For that reason, C's wife is ruled out here. And other possible places, if I keep C's wife here, opposite to that place, it cannot be A. This is also ruled out. Now what it should be? This place must be given to C's wife. The person here should be female. And opposite to that one, it should be C. And C must be male. Hope you understood this one, right? C sits fourth to the right of his wife. Now this is his wife, right side 1, 2, 3, 4. For that matter, even if it is fourth left also, 1, 2, 3, 4. But in this question they have given fourth right. Use the shortcut. Now go for the next one. B sits third to the right of her husband. B does not sit at any of the corners. Now think it over. B sits third to the right of her husband. Then B cannot sit on any of the corners. Means what does it mean? B must be sitting on one of the middle of the sides here. Now out of 4 places on middle, 2 places are occupied by A and G. Now possible places for B, this one or equally this one, with the condition that B sits third to the right of her husband. B is a female they have given, right? Means what does it mean? If I keep B here, this place must be third to the right of one place. On that place, we need to accommodate B's husband. Hope you got the idea. B sits third to the right of her husband. If I keep B here, this place must be third to the right of B's husband's place. Now go by the elimination process. Start with hit and trial method. What if I keep B here? Simple one. If I keep B here, this B must be third to the right of her husband. For which place it is third to the right? Only for this place. Observe here. For this place on the right side, 1, 2, 3, it should be B. If I keep B here, the meaning of that one is C must be husband of B. If C is husband of B, only then this arrangement is possible. But according to the question, C cannot be husband of B. C must be husband of a lady who comes at this place. Means what does it mean? When C's wife is here, I cannot consider B as C's wife. If I want to keep B here, B must be third to the right of her husband. So I cannot take C as B's husband. Right? To make you understand, I am just giving you in a very crystal clear manner. Right? So clearly I can say this place is not suitable for B. Now when this place is not suitable for B, only one place is there. That is this one. I must accommodate B here. Now B should be female. Alright. Got friends? Now the question is over here. Now the puzzle is almost unraveled. I am on the verge of closing this one. Came to the tail end of the solution. How is that? Because only two critical points are there. C sits fourth to the right of his wife. B sits third to the right of her husband. These two are very, very important points, right? This one, fourth to the right. This is one clue, and other one is this clue. If you can crack these two, automatically the question is solved. Now it is cakes walks for us. Easily you can go for this. What is that? B does not sit in, that's over. Now only D sits between B and H. Between B and H, only D sits. Over. Then after that they have given H is husband of A. Now H should be husband of A. So it should be plus, means male. It should be female, minus. And finally they have given E is a male. Now where shall I keep E here? Now see, don't make any mistake here. Don't make any mistake here. Alright. So here one very, very important point. E is a male. First of all, E is a male means where shall I go for E here? This place or this place. But one thing very, very clearly they have given, B sits third to the right of her husband. When I have kept B here, this place is third to the right of only this place. Means what does it mean? This place must be given to B's husband. It should be B's. It should be male. Now very, very clearly E is a male. Where shall I go for E here? Don't make any mistake of placing B right away here. Because anyway I should place E here only, but not now, because I should know the gender of the person who comes at this place. After confirming the gender of this person only, I need to go for E's place. Why that is so? Because by chance, if this person happened to be female. Now very clearly I can say only two places are left out. One is male, one is female. In this case, I can accommodate E here. But here what happened? I don't know this place, right? So I am trying for this one. What if it is male? If it is male, this is male and this is male. I cannot keep E anyway, it means no confirmed place is there. In that case, what happens? E can be either here or here. So my next attempt is finding out the gender of the person who comes on this place. For that one, you use this clue. What is this clue they have given here? Simply they have given out of 4 corner places, 2 are male, then 2 are female, 2 are male. So 2 are female, 2 are male corners. Already 2 male are here, 1 is female and it must be female. Now the question is clear. But before that, go for this one also. Out of 4 middle places, female are 3, then male is 1. Now clearly, 1 male in the middle, remaining 3 are female. In the middle, female, female, and G must be female. Now, where shall I go for E now? E is a male. Obviously, only one place is there, that is for E. And the next one, what is that? Remaining person. All the persons are being accommodated except F. I need to go for F here. This question has been taken from one of the SBI PO examinations, right? Now, this is a question where the standard has been increased a little. Only a little standard has been increased. I can categorize this question as only moderate level difficulty question when compared to the recent questions, right? When compared to the questions which are being asked in recent PO examination, let us consider this one as a moderate level. I am going to discuss very difficult questions in this lesson only. Then after that, our next assignment is, next question is, I am going to discuss a question where some of the people are facing inside, some are facing outside, even without mentioning the number also, right? Now let us take up the next question.